Hello students, I'm going to give you a brief tour of Econ Lowdown Online Learning Management System. All of you will have received an email that looks like the Word document on the screen. That email contains the URL, the student code, and the password to log in. The safest way, the best way to make sure you get your user code and password correct is to do a copy paste into the fields. When you click this URL, a page will open that looks like this. And you're going to copy and paste your unique user code and password into the fields. And when you submit, you will go to the online syllabus. The online syllabus contains all of the assignments for the course, that at least the assignments that are assigned through this portal. Like any syllabus, at the top it gives you the name of the course and the instructor, the active dates. It gives you a short introduction with the course objectives, and then as you scroll down you'll actually see your assignments. The assignments in this online learning portal consist of videos and online modules. All of them have assessment pieces that are embedded. I'm going to show you one of those. We'll watch, I'll show you what segment 1 of the Production Possibilities Frontier video looks like. And just to get there, we simply launch it. When we launch, it will open a new tab in your browser window. And in that tab will be the video frame along with a couple of options. The system is set up using a mastery model, and so you can watch the video as many times as you want. You can take the quiz as many times as you want, and the system will capture your highest score. To watch the video, you would click play up here in the left-hand corner. We're going to skip the video right now, and I'm going to show you what a quiz looks like. The quizzes are usually between 5 and 10 questions. We do have a progress bar. This quiz has 6 questions. I'm just going to randomly select answers so you can see how they operate. You can see that after every question it gives you the feedback whether you were correct or not. You can see the progress bar at the top of the screen tracks your progress. And I'm just going to click through here. And that's number 4. That's number 5. And we got that one correct. And we got that one correct as well. So when we submit the quiz, we find out that we scored 50% on the video. We could rewatch the video or retake the quiz. Now if we go back to our syllabus and we refresh, actually we don't even have to refresh, you can see that a score has been filled in here, that my score on this video is 50%. To relaunch the video, if I want to try again later, I can relaunch from here. I can launch any of my assignments. You'll notice also that all of the assignments have due dates on them. If students exceed the due date, the assignment will be grayed out, so it will still show on the syllabus, but it will show as non-active. And so it's important that you all make sure that you keep track of your assignments and that you keep up. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'd be happy to help you. And thank you very much. And if you have any specific questions about your tour of the Econ Lowdown Learning module, make sure you let me know.